whole lot of you. Add a dash of starlight and a dozen roses too. Then let it rise for 100 years or two. That's a recipe for making love. He doesn't need sugar cause it's already sweet. He doesn't need an oven cause it's got a lot of heat. Just add a dash of kisses to make it all complete. And that's a recipe for making love. And if you made it well, you'll know that it's not like anything you've made before. And if you made it wrong, you'll know it, cause it won't keep you coming back for more. I didn't get it from my grandma's book upon the shelf. I didn't get it from a magical and culinary elf. No little birdie told me you can't make it by yourself. And that's a recipe for making love. It's not like anything you've made before, cause it won't keep you coming back for more. I didn't get it from my grandma's book upon the shelf. I didn't get it from a magical and culinary elf. No little birdie told me you can't make it by yourself. And that's a recipe, well that's the recipe for making love to you. That's the recipe for making love.